Hello guys, I'm Mehdi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take the derivative of fraction functions using the quotient rule. So, if we have two functions f and g, f is divided by g. And we are gonna take the derivative of f over g. So, we can use this equation. F over g prime equals this fraction. On top, we have f prime g minus g prime f, all divided by g squared. Simply, this means that we have to take the derivative of top function multiplied by bottom function minus the derivative of bottom function times original top function. All terms are divided by g, the bottom function, squared to the power of 2. Now, let's try to solve this example. If f of x is given, it is a fraction in which 3x squared plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 4. This fraction is given and it is requested to find f prime of x. So we have to take the derivative of this given function. Now it's time to apply quotient rule. Let's do that. F prime of x equals. We have to construct this fraction f prime. F prime is the derivative of this top function 3x squared plus 5. You know, using the power rule we can do that. So bring down these two, write it as a coefficient. We have 3 times 2x to the power of 2 minus 1. It is going to be 1 plus the derivative of 5 is nothing because you know the derivative of constant numbers is 0. So this thing times original bottom function, it is 2x minus 4. Minus, it's time to take the derivative of bottom function, it is 2x minus 4. Again, you can apply power rule. The derivative of 2x is 2 and the derivative of minus 4 is again 0 times original f function, which is 3x squared plus 5. All of these are divided by g squared. G is 2x minus 4 to the power of 2. Now let's do some cleaning. This is the final answer for this problem. I hope this video helped you understand how to take the derivative of fraction functions using the quotient rule. So, if you enjoy, please subscribe or like. Thank you.